Welcome back after the break to 9XE.com, the show. So the trend of remixes just does not seem to die down in Bollywood. If anything, it only gets stronger with every film. The Alia Bhatt and Shahid Kapoor starrer Shandar. 9XE.com has learned that Alia and Shahid will be seen dancing to a song that's actually a remix of the popular Eena Meena Dika from the 1957 film Asha. Another remix, or a rearrangement, or an inspiration, or an homage, whatever you may call it, is happening again. Mikey McCleary has remixed Eena Meena Dika for Shandar. The song was originally sung by Kishore Kumar and Asha Bhosle and was pegged as one of Bollywood's first rock and roll numbers. The story goes that composer C. Ramchandra got the lyrics of the song when he heard a few kids chanting Eeny Meeny Miny Mo. Now, isn't that a lovely story? Does the new crop of Bollywood not want such great backstories to their songs? Why must they borrow someone else's story and rehash it? A few episodes ago, we asked Bollywood about this trend of remixes, and this was their reaction.
मैं उसको कुछ बहुत इज्जत से नहीं देखता हूँ, लोग कर रहे हैं करने दो.
It's good to revive a song. उससे यही पता पड़ता है कि उस गाने में कितनी बात होगी कि वो दोबारा आकर उतनी ही एक्नॉलेजमेंट गेन करता है.
अगर इस तरह से कुछ करके गाने पॉपुलर होते हैं और गानों को वो रिस्पांस मिलता है, सो इट्स गुड.
आई थिंक जब तक अच्छा साउंड कर रहा है कोई गाना, उसमें कोई बुराई नहीं है अगर आपने बहुत अच्छे से उसे प्रोड्यूस किया है.
जो नई जनरेशन है उनमें से कई ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने उन पुराने गानों को कभी सुना ही नहीं है, तो फिर अगर उनको एक नए अंदाज में वही चीज़ फिर से मिल जाए तो अच्छी बात है.
मेरे ख्याल से ये सही है, क्योंकि वो करने से यंगर जनरेशन है उसकी तरफ खींचा जाता है.
अगर नहीं रिमिक्स करते तो आज की जनरेशन को पता कैसे लगता.
यूथ इज चेंजिंग, सो अगर आप चाहते हो आपका म्यूजिक कोई सुने, उसमें आपको थोड़ा सा तो चेंज करना पड़ेगा.
नहीं, देखिए, कुछ नयापन करने में कोई हर्ज नहीं है, लेकिन उसका रूप बिगाड़ना नहीं चाहिए.
कुछ बोलने से पहले you need to admit that I have also sung a lot of remixes recently and trust me, I have liked it.
But why remix classics? They're classics for a reason, right? We're not purists, but the fact that Bollywood is remixing songs means that kahi na kahi there's a dearth of new ideas, new writers, new composers and new singers. Isn't it time for a fresh wave of ideas to take over the Bollywood music industry? Do you agree with us? Even if you don't, let us know what you feel about this whole remix trend. Tweet at 9XE the show with hashtag remix versus original. Talk to us on facebook.com/9XE. And if you're looking for something refreshingly awesome, you have to meet this young actress. Shruti Hassan is all set for the release of the action film Gabbar is Back opposite Akshay Kumar. In a super fun chat with 9XE.com, she talks about films, family and fashion. Check it out.
What's up guys, I'm Nafisa Sharma and you're watching 9XE.com, and look who's in the studio today, Shruti Hassan, who's come to talk about her movie Gabbar. Hi Shruti.
Hi.
Welcome to 9XE.com.
Thank you.
So how's your day so far?
Well, it's just started and it's looking like it's going to be a very hectic day.
Hectic long day.
Yes.
Okay, so while we were growing up, the name Gabbar was always associated to a villain.
Yes.
So why did you guys keep the name of the movie Gabbar?
As you see in the dialogue, it's Naam se villain, kaam se hero. So it is about a name that instills a fear because he's working to fight corruption.
Okay, and what's your part in the movie?
I'm a girl in the movie.
You're a girl in the movie. And we did not know that.
Well, I'm playing a junior lawyer. My name is Shruti in the movie, which is fun. And she's a very interesting part in the film in the sense that she's very separate from his journey, his life. And it's not your quintessential love story in terms of वो मिले ये हुआ, something unique.
आप expert हो गाड़ी में बच्चा पैदा करने के लिए. What was happening in that scene? Please tell us.
गाड़ी में बच्चा पैदा हो गया.
कैसे?
वो सब मैं टीवी पे कैसे बता सकती हूँ? You see the film.
So let's talk about PWD, Power Wala Danda. What is Power Wala Danda?
Well, again, that's Akshay sir will answer that better. But like this whole film is about taking these concepts of corruption that we've all gotten so used to and saying that no, we can't get used to it, and Gabbar is the kind of name or a face that will scare you into thinking twice.
And what's your look in the movie?
Well, she's very this is actually my look. This is the first time I've had such big hair.
And I must say it looks gorgeous.
Thank you. So I feel like there's a person in my hair.
There's a person.
But it's really fun. It's bohemian, sort of. Very young, very fresh, and kind of, she's got a little spark.
Okay, and what's your favorite song in the movie?
I actually love the title song.
You love the title song?
Yeah.
So are you going to sing it for us?
I'm sounding like Gabbar today. I really can't sing it.
You just said you're sounding like Gabbar.
I am. I have the worst throat.
Okay, how is it working with Akshay? Does he play a lot of pranks on the set?
You know, everyone says this. He's a lot of fun. He does play pranks on other people, but not on me.
Not on you?
No.
Okay.
So far, no. Touch wood.
Did you play any pranks on him?
No. We were just really busy working.
You were very obedient on the set, I must say. Did he teach you some of his martial arts?
No, because I don't have to fight in the movie. He has to.
Okay. So your sister's movie has also released. Now she's also joined the industry. How do you feel about that?
Very proud.
You're very proud. Do you help her? Selecting scripts or anything?
No. Actually, no one's helped me. I'm sure she's smart enough. She'll figure it out.
You've never taken advice from your dad or your mom?
No.
You know, to select a
I mean,
script?
if I need advice, they're there. But I always say that वो 60-70 days के लिए मुझे shoot करना पड़ेगा ना.
Right.
So it's better that I take the decision. नहीं तो पता चले I was like, oh, Mama, ये क्यों? You know, like so.
All because of you, Mama.
Yeah. So it's not. You know, it's my own decision.
So what makes you select a script? Like when you get an offer, what makes you select the script?
The character, of course. Script and the character. But of course, it's also a team. Your co-stars. Will they be able to give the film what it deserves? You know, in terms of production. So it's a lot of factors, not just one.
So are you based in Mumbai right now?
Yes, I live in Bombay.
With your mom?
By myself.
Why? Even your mom's in Mumbai, right?
Yes, but I'm like that.
And independent Shruti Hassan, and we love that.
Thank you.
Now I want to really ask you, in fact, not only me, a lot of guys over there want to know, is Shruti Hassan single?
Yes, I am single. And it's not a lie, I'm really single.
You're really single. And are you looking out for somebody? Are you looking for love?
No.
Not yet?
No.
Why? Come on.
I'm too busy.
You're too busy.
And I love myself too much. I can't share me with anyone right now.
Alright guys, so that was Shruti Hassan. This is me, Nafisa Sharma, signing off from the very cool 9XC. Bye.
Coming up, we ask your thoughts on the Tanu Weds Manu Returns trailer.